If you're having trouble getting unbanned from Omegle, there may be a solution available to you through a VPN. By connecting to a VPN before using Omegle, you can hide your true IP address and make yourself virtually invisible to Omegle. This trick will help you bypass any bans that may have been put in place by Omegle and regain full access to the website. There are many VPNs out there to choose from, so finding one that is compatible with Omegle is essential in order to get back into Omegle. So in this video, I am going to walk you through how to get unbanned from Omegle, and I am also going to show you the best VPN that you can use to do that. So without any further ado, let's get started right away. So the main reason why you want to use a VPN is that when Omegle bans you, it does not ban your computer, it just bans the IP address that is associated with your device. So VPNs can change your IP address, making it difficult for anyone to track your activity online. This is done by tunneling the user through a VPN server and then changing their IP address to one that is not associated with their physical location. To do this, you can use either a free or a paid VPN. I tested this myself and used free VPNs, but they weren't consistent enough. I talked to a few people, but it just kept showing me the same error message saying that I was banned. So, if you want to get unbanned from Omegle, I recommend using NordVPN. This is the best VPN for this job, and I tried this myself, and it worked absolutely amazing. Plus, this premium VPN does not cost a lot of money. It is the most bang for your buck VPN out there, and it has lots of countries to choose from. I'll leave a link in the description below for NordVPN so that you can get the best current deal available for this amazing VPN. I have been using NordVPN for a couple of months now, and not only did it help me to get unbanned from Omegle, but I can also use NordVPN to encrypt my internet traffic and route it through a secure server, and it also allows me to access geo-restricted content from popular streaming services such as Netflix. Plus, NordVPN keeps no logs of user activity or IP addresses, ensuring that my privacy is protected. So, click the link in the description, download NordVPN, and change to any country you want, and you will be unbanned from Omegle. So that's it for this video. So, I hope you found this information useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.